I'm going to share my favorite keto dessert recipes that not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also help you get that dream summer body you've been wanting. Getting that perfect summer body can be tough, especially when you have a sweet tooth, but keto desserts can be a game changer. Finding desserts that are both delicious and keto-friendly can be a challenge, especially during the summer when cravings for sweets are high. Many traditional desserts are loaded with sugar and carbs, making them off-limits on a keto diet. People often think that going keto means giving up their favorite treats, but that's not the case. There are plenty of keto-friendly dessert options that are just as tasty as their traditional counterparts. Summer is the perfect time to get creative with keto desserts, from no-bake treats to refreshing ice cream recipes. The key is to find desserts that are low in carbs and sugar, but high in healthy fats. Keto desserts can be made with a variety of ingredients, including almond flour, coconut flour, and sweeteners like stevia and erythritol. These ingredients are not only keto-friendly, but they also offer several health benefits, such as being low on the glycemic index and rich in fiber. Many keto desserts are also high in healthy fats, which can help keep you full and satisfied. Some popular keto dessert recipes include cheesecake, chocolate mousse, and ice cream, all of which can be made with keto-friendly ingredients. One of the best things about keto desserts is that they can be easily customized to fit your tastes and dietary needs. For example, you can use different types of nut flours to change the flavor and texture of your desserts. You can also experiment with different sweeteners and flavorings to create unique and delicious treats. Keto desserts are perfect for summer because they're often light and refreshing, making them a great way to cool off after a long day. Whether you're in the mood for something creamy and rich or light and fruity, there's a keto dessert out there for you. I want to share with you one of my favorite keto dessert recipes that has helped me achieve my fitness goals. It's a simple recipe for keto cheesecake that's not only delicious, but also easy to make. The best part is that it's low in carbs and sugar, but high in healthy fats, making it the perfect treat for anyone on a keto diet. This recipe has been a game changer for me, and I think it can be for you too. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while still working towards your summer body goals. The benefits of incorporating keto desserts into your diet are numerous. Not only can they help you stick to your keto diet, but they can also provide a variety of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to improving blood sugar control. By incorporating keto desserts into your diet, you can indulge in delicious treats while still working towards your fitness goals. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite keto desserts are, and don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be sharing even more healthy recipes to help you achieve your summer body goals.